Hey traders, good morning. Believe it's Thursday, July 3rd. The stock market is closing early today, and I'm super excited about this trade. As you can see, I have $100 worth of this stock, and I have $33 in profit, $34 in profit. I paid 68 cents for each share, and now it's up to 105. So, let me show you how I will approach unloading this. So I definitely will just sell one market order. I'm not even setting the price. See what I get. 108, very nice. I see it's still kind of moving up. Maybe I want to set some limit orders. Sell one. Let's try 111. See if that one hits. No worries if not. What I'm afraid of is this dropping before I can unload it. So I'm going to take a look at the level 2. Okay, it's trading. It's actually got a small range here. It's going. It's moving. So I want to move now higher with my limit orders. Let's see if we can get that 113. And again, I'm really worried about the drop down to like where it was early. Oh, I got it for 118. That's beautiful. Now, as you notice, as the price, I own like over 100 shares. So as the price is climbing, my profit, now look at it. It's like $40 worth of profit. I'm down to 93 shares right now. I want to get out before it drops. Let's see if this is a pullback and it's going to hop back up or not. If you follow Ross Cameron, he might call that a micro pullback. But when this little dot, if it goes down too far, that's a reversal. So it's down to $1. If it pops up, that would be fantastic. And I might just sell it all. So we just got to see. Maybe it will hit. Now here's where I start getting creative. Limit order. So let's say it's going to hit 121. We're just being optimistic here. This way, if it spikes up, I have that order locked in. I don't know. It could totally drop. As you can see, this week it was trading around 44 cents. Okay, we're getting back up. Sell at... Sometimes I don't like to limit my profits because I just don't know where the stock could go today. So let's be optimistic. 131. You never know. Also, it depends on what someone else is willing to pay. Sometimes they're putting through market orders. Might just get lucky with a fill, and they get, unfortunately, unlucky with a fill. That's why I like to have a few limit orders kind of locked in there. So right now, I'm really happy to make $40 profit on this trade. It's going to be a gorgeous thing when it's all said and done. I'm looking to get out of this trade today. I just don't want to be too preemptive in case the stock ends up rallying later. But it's like it can also drop. So I don't want to get greedy. So maybe we just sell as we go. Let's just sell one. Popping back up. I don't mind taking the 111. Again, I paid only like 68 for each share. So there we go, baby. I really hope it's moving in the upwards direction. So yeah, I do like stocks that trade within this range because I can afford them and I can afford to own more of them and capture some of these moves. Look, it's like a 50% move today. And over the week, there's been 193%. Wow. But all time, it's definitely one of those, this is why you have to be careful with these stocks. Whoa. Yeah, I'm going to say let's get out of this trade. When you realize it's just not a stock that you can trust, you don't really know what's going on with it. So I've got 90 shares left. I can just kind of unload. I could sell 10 if I want to at a time. I'm still doing the watch and wait, the little dance. Really hoping for like a bigger pop before I unload everything. But it's unclear. This doesn't tell me much right now. Just gonna see. Okay, now let's look at the numbers on the bid and ask. People are buying because it's a stock that's moving. Okay. Okay, are there more buyers or more sellers? I'm trying to do quick math. There's more sellers. Also, you can look at the volume candles here, but sometimes you read them and the stock still can behave differently than what you think it's going to do. So now I see it dropping. Okay, we've got some buyers still interested. There's 14,000 seller at 116, so I might want to get out around the 115 mark. Yeah. Okay, I don't think this stock is going to go much more right now. It could later in the day, but right now, okay, so limit order. Let's try 115. And then sometimes when it starts really dropping, I got to race after it. So we're going to try to set these up. Maybe 113. Oh, I just realized my fan is on. I hope that didn't mess up the sound on this video. I apologize. It is hot here in New Jersey. Let's do a limit order for 111. We're just trying to get the best fill that we can. What does that mean? Well, like, I don't want to lose pennies just because I'm being lazy and putting in market orders. I do want to, like, try to ensure that I do get filled at the price where I want to. Now, at the end, if I'm left with some limit orders that didn't get filled, I can just change them. I can lower them. All right, let's do 107. I don't know if I did. Okay, 107. Completed. Oh, it popped. It's popping. So what do I got left on here? 115. All right. It might hit it. Popped a little bit back up. So I'll sell another one. Oh, yeah. Oop. Got filled at 113. Okay, so still have 80 shares. Still working on unloading. 117 is nice if I can catch it. Yeah, and if I saw like a significant spike up to maybe 120, 130, then I'm looking to unload more. I'm just kind of watching and waiting at this point. It looks like it's going a bit. Ooh. All right. Time to sell some more. Yes. Nice little profits. Just from being that little bit patient and not unloading them all. I'm fine with these numbers right here. Really great profits. And as you can see down here, 82% profit, over $40 in profit. It's great. So, all right, I'll sign off. Hi, traders. Windtree still kept moving up, so I'm still selling it off. And I'm already down to like 70 shares and $50 profit and 100%. Wow. Oh my goodness, yes. $1.40. What? Really just great movement on this stock. Couldn't ask for more. Don't get too greedy. If you see, I started selling it at, I'm sort of scaling out of the position. I started selling like yesterday, selling some off. Okay, I bought it at 40 cents, sold it at 84, 87, 99, down to 76. I was still selling it, and then it popped back to $1.04. Oh my goodness, $1.20. And then boom, I gave it some time to breathe. $1.40. Woohoo. So yeah, if I had prematurely sold too much, I would have missed out on some profit. But again, if I held too long this thing might drop and I won't get to lock in my profits. So that is the dance of a trader. The stocks are dancing today. The market was so good to me yesterday. I'm so happy. So, well, I mean, I guess I've been making some good plays. So happy trading, good luck, and reach out, ask me questions if you need to.